Hey guys, King Dry Blaster and JJP Gacha here. Today we will do the Gold Digger prank. LOL, this is gonna be funny. Today's cars we will be using a Lamborghini and hypercar. Let's get started. Excuse me ma'am, do you know where Gogo Mart is?
Yes, if you turn right and then turn left before the traffic lights, that's where it is.
Thanks.
You're welcome. OMG, that Dry Blaster has a really nice car. I think I should ask him out.
What the? I knew it. I so knew it.
You what?
Oh, you again.
Yes, and plus, I really love your car. Can we please go out and eat?
Angela, who's this? Are you cheating on me?
It's not what it looks like. Wait, Jackson, come back.
OMG, there's like 51,003 sirens chasing JJP. Oh no, I think they are gonna chase me too. Somebody help us.